Bonjour à tous, hi guys and 大家好. Aujourd'hui, je voulais aborder une question qui nous revient assez souvent. Comment commencer à apprendre le français? Cette vidéo est donc dédiée à tous les gens qui souhaitent se lancer dans l'apprentissage du français, and so there is really no need to speak in French. English is probably better. Plus, you doesn't really have time to do the subtitle this week. So how to best start learning French? That's a very interesting question, guys. I will answer in 6 points, and to all of you who already speak French or who have studied French for some time, please let me know in the comments what you think of those points and feel free to give me your tips as well. First point, like for any other language, get the best possible mindset. You have to understand why you want to study this particular language, and you should keep in mind this goal every time you study it. And you should study it regularly. It doesn't need to be long. 15 minutes a day is a great start, but it needs to be more or less every day. In the end, 15 minutes a day is much better than 2 hours once a week. Second point, manage your expectations. French is what you could call a slow starting language. It will take quite some time and a lot of effort from you before you can actually use it. Every language has its own pattern. Chinese, for example, is quite easy to start learning with like a limited grammar, and you don't need too much vocabulary for beginners. Then it gets tricky and the first plateau lasts forever. French, on the other hand, is super tricky right from the beginning, and you will need to learn a ton of words. You have to understand this and do not get discouraged if you feel like you're not progressing much. In truth, you are progressing, you just don't really notice it. And then all of a sudden, you will start understanding a lot of it. Point number 3, don't wait to speak. That's a mistake we take from school. We don't dare speaking until we master the grammar. But when it happens and we start speaking, we realize we know very little about the true language. That's a mistake with French. Don't wait for your grammar to be perfect before you start using it. So watch some videos, join debate clubs, make native friends, whatever you need in order to build some reflexes. Because French is such a tricky language with like complicated grammar. If you need to think about how to make a perfect sentence, you will just take forever to say anything. It's so much better to actually just have reflexes. Plus, you will also realize there is a big difference between the formal French that you might learn in school and the actual French that everyone is using in France and other French-speaking countries. Which brings us to tip number 4, don't worry about the pronunciation. I am not saying you should not study the pronunciation. You should definitely study the pronunciation from the beginning, but it doesn't need to be perfect for you to speak and for us to understand you. We will understand a great part of what you say, even if you mispronounce something. Just think about it this way. Chinese has monosyllabic words most of the time, and you guys are using tones, which means if I mispronounce even the slightest part, it changes the whole meaning. But in French, it doesn't work like that. This sentence, for example, should be read Je veux étudier le français. But if you say Je veux étudier le français, we still understand very well what you meant. And if some French people make fun of you, just please remember 2 things. First, there are jackasses everywhere. France is not different, but most French people are not like that. Second, this person most likely doesn't speak any language but French, and even in French, I can promise you he makes mistakes. I have never met a French person who doesn't do any grammar, syntax, vocabulary, spelling, or pronunciation mistakes. So don't worry and speak. Number 5, get strong basics and the rest will come in time. Okay, don't try to study all of French at once. I have met many students who tried to learn several tenses or modes one after the other. Take your time. You can study the present tense of the indicative and then, give it some time to sink in. Wait a few weeks, then you can study the passé composé and the imparfait. And again, give it some time to sink in. Those 3 tenses are just enough for saying so much in French. Then when you are comfy with those 3, you can study the future tense, for example, which is quite easy. Yes, you will need to study the subjunctive and the conditional at some point, but they are tough. So take it easy. Number 6, spend some time on vocabulary and genders. French is a super accurate language. I actually think that's one of its beauty. You can say more in French than more languages, and that mostly comes from the vocabulary. Of course, your vocabulary will improve with you as you read and listen to some documents, but it's very good to study it regularly as well. A part of your everyday French lesson should include some time for vocabulary. Just, take some time every day to learn 5 words. Just 5 words, and in 1 year you will have learned 1,500 words plus some others. But more important than this, learn the genders of those words. French has two grammatical genders, male and female. There is just no neutral in French. And this gender will affect your sentence a lot. The problem is that there is no logical way to know if a word should be male or female. For example, in French, a table is feminine, while a bed is masculine. There is no logical reason here. The best thing you can do is to remember those genders from the very moment you learn the word. So don't feel content about knowing what a noun means, you should learn its gender as well. And for more details, you can check the video I did on this topic sometime last year. And number 7, yes, I did say 6, but I'm feeling quite generous today. So, number 7, find an audio or video document that you really like, one with a text associated, and watch it over and over again. So find some subtitled TV show, get an audiobook, or find a Bilibili channel with both French and Chinese subtitles, and watch the same episodes again and again until you know pretty much what is going to be said. Personally, I improved my English a lot by watching the 10 seasons of Friends 3 times each. I watched one season in English with English subtitle, then again, then a third time, this time without the subtitles. It worked very well. The only problem is sometimes I do speak like one of them. Seriously, Lulu, can you be more of a kid? The great news for you is that in France we rely a lot on dubbing, which means you can watch US or UK TV shows in French with French subtitles. The bad news is that it looks terrible. Bonsoir madame, j'enquête sur le meurtre de votre voisin. Pouvez-vous me dire où vous étiez hier entre 11h et minuit? Still, that's a great way to learn French. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And if you know anyone who might be interested in learning French, feel free to share this video with them. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you very soon for more content on French language and culture. Have a great time until then. A plus.